Running a flooring business isn't easy. You're chasing leads, building bids, managing crews, tracking inventory, and trying to keep projects on a budget. But if you're still stuck with spreadsheets, disconnected softwares, or generic CRMs, it can spiral into chaos. That's where your CRM comes in. It keeps all your leads, customers, and jobs in one place so nothing gets lost. The problem, most CRMs are built for general businesses, not flooring. That means double entry, disconnected systems, and tools that don't speak your language. That's why we built MeasureSquare CRM. It is the only trade-specific CRM for flooring businesses. With proposals powered by your MeasureSquare takeoff data, you can move from a signed bid straight into managing the project. Purchase orders, crews, inventory, installation schedules, even billing and payment tracking all flow together in one connected system so your team and clients always stay aligned. Start by creating a project and moving it through your customized sales pipeline. From there, launch a takeoff directly inside MeasureSquare CRM or import one from our in-house takeoff tool, MeasureSquare 8. And here's the magic. Once your takeoff is complete, all the product quantities flow right into your project automatically. No more retyping, no more mistakes. Now you're ready to build proposals. And these aren't cookie-cutter quotes. Our proposal engine is fully customizable. Your branding, your columns, your fields. In just a few clicks, send polished, professional proposals straight from MeasureSquare CRM. Even better, track the moment your customer opens an e-signs with all email replies automatically logged in the system. When a proposal is approved, the real power kicks in. Instantly generate purchase orders, work orders, invoices, and change orders, all pulling directly from your proposal line items. This means zero double entry and total accuracy every time. And with seamless integration with your accounting systems, your job and financial data stay in sync automatically for accurate billing and better cash flow management. And you don't have to be at your desk. With the MeasureSquare CRM app, you can create jobs and quotes on the go, text into a customer, and even collect their signatures right on your phone. Fast, professional, and easy wherever you are. Want to see the big picture? Our reporting and analytics give you visibility across every job, past and present, so you can spot trends, measure performance, and make smarter decisions. And here's something that truly changes the game, our AI Analyzer. Upload a massive floor plan and in seconds you'll get an accurate summary, a full product list, and key sheets identified. This helps you decide faster whether to bid, so you can take on 30 to 50% more jobs without burning out your team. And we're not stopping there. Soon, you'll get field service tools that will handle time tracking, installation completion, and on-site billing. MeasureSquare CRM isn't just another CRM. It's changing the way flooring pros run their business. From the first lead to the final payment, everything clicks together. Faster workflows, smarter teams, bigger wins. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Contact us today to schedule a demo and see how MeasureSquare CRM can revolutionize your business.